Session 1. Your own learning needs. Before you go on to work with your own groups of learners, it's important that you've investigated your own needs when it comes to learning and professional development. What we're going to do in this first week's sessions is ask you to undertake some diagnostic tests. That sounds quite awful, but it's not. They're a series of very simple tests which will allow you to look at your own progress so far and what your own learning needs are going to be like in the future. We'd like you to begin by going to Moodle and looking at section 1, which is called Your Own Learning Needs. Begin by looking at the diagnostic tests. First, you should complete the VOC Learning Styles Diagnostic. This asks you to look at what type of learner you are, and it will involve looking at how you like to receive and process information in the most efficient way for you. Then you should complete the literacy diagnostic test, the numeracy diagnostic test and the IT skills audit. These 4 tests will help you build up a picture of the way that you prefer to learn and what your development needs for the future will be. When you've completed the diagnostic tests, you'll go on to formulate an ILP, which is an individual learning plan. This asks you to look at the results of the tests that you've taken and look at where your learning needs are for the future. There are several documents up on Moodle that will help you with this. If you look at the section marked ILP Materials, you'll see that there is a blank copy of the individual learning plan. You'll need to download and save this. That's what you'll be completing as part of this task. Then there's an individual learning plan crib sheet which will guide you through what to put in each section of the ILP. When you've completed the tests and the ILP, you should go on to Moodle and take part in the ILP discussion forum. Here you'll join with fellow members of your group to discuss the outcomes of your ILP and diagnostic tests and discuss your training and learning needs for the future. Finally, when you've done all of those things, you should go to the link which says Upload your ILP, and you should submit your ILP electronically by clicking on that.